everyone. We're going to time how long it takes going this way, but keep in mind that we are doing this at 6 p.m. at night. You cannot do this in the morning because you can only stay in one park until 11 a.m. So you have to do this after 11 a.m. So the other option, instead of leaving the Grand Californian and going through downtown district, is going through security at the hotel into DCA and then coming out of DCA into Disneyland. So I will time how long that's going to take. All right, so we're leaving and we will see how long it takes. And you come out at the Grizzly River Run area here. All right, so we're going to walk down this lane. There you can see the hotel behind us. And is this going to be Soarin' coming up, I think? Yep. Looks like there's some washrooms right here. Good to know. And this is Soarin'. Here's the Jumpers Grill. Smoke Jumpers Grill is here. Which is good for me because they have some gluten-free options here. And I will be making a video soon of all the gluten-free restaurants you can go to. Lots of seating over there. Looks nice in the shade. Right. And then here's Starbucks. Oh, Starbucks is in there apparently. You can get some nice, expensive mugs. And we can show you some pictures of those later. Keep going around the corner here. Minnie Mouse is over there. Aww. Candy shops. Oh, look at these nice displays. Hopefully I'm not recording this on Halloween stuff. Halloween displays happening. Sweet. A snack stand here. More washrooms. Oh, lockers are in there. And a 5 and dime store. And if you need to get a map for just coming to the entrance now, right behind this trolley is a place you can pick up maps when you first come in the entrance. Oh yeah. And all right, so we're gonna go out the exit here, and go over to the Disney entrance. It looks like we're at about almost at 5 minutes now, but I wasn't walking as fast as I was in the other video. So I'm walking a little slower today. Alright, so we're at the entrance. And what does my watch say? I can't see it while I'm walking here. 6 minutes it took us, so it definitely was shorter than the other way, and I also was walking slower than this video here. If you want to watch it, click the eye. I'm also doing a video timing this walk from the hotel and the monorail as well. So check out those videos as well if you're interested. Thank you. See you soon.